Hello, my name is Thomas Norton, and I work in the Educational Technology Department at BJU Press. Today I'm going to show you quickly how to use Google Jamboard. This is a Google product, so I'm here in Google Drive. And to create one, we're going to go up here to New, just like you would with a Google Docs or a Google Slides. And then we're going to scroll down here to More, and you're looking for the option that says Google Jamboard. Now, Google Jamboard is an online whiteboard. You can use it to draw on, build interactive activities, or group projects, other things like that. You'll notice across the left side there's a few different tools. The tools here are a little bit more limited than something like Google Slides because of the purpose of this app. You can create a sticky note where you can put some words on there, even change the color. You can add pictures, shapes, text boxes. And if you have something that you could write with, a touch screen or a tablet or maybe a smart board, you can go up here to the pen tool and use that to write and draw. You can also draw with your mouse. It's just a little harder to draw precisely with it. So this tool can be used for a couple of different options. You could use this as a way if you teach math or science to present your lesson to your students, something where you need to be able to draw out and write. Or you can use it to create activities, be it a group activity or just an interactive activity for your students. If you're creating an activity for your students and you want to place something on the page that they can't move, so anything that you place on this page, once you share it to your students, they will be able to move or delete or change that. So to help you out with that, if you want to create something that your students can see but not change, say you want to put a math problem on this page, but you don't want students to be able to delete it, I would suggest you go up here to set background, and there's many different options to set your backgrounds. But take the question that you want, maybe create it in PowerPoint, or you can even create it here in Jamboard, and save that question as a picture. And then take that picture and you can upload it as the background of your Jamboard. So again, the way I did that is I hit set background and then click this image option down here and pick the image. I already had it saved in Google Drive, but you can also upload it from your computer. What that does is it makes it so your students are unable to move anything on the background. They're only able to add a text box or a shape and circle any of these options on the left side, but they're not going to accidentally delete something here. Now they could go up here and set the background and change it, but most students are not going to do that. Hopefully. Now, if you're familiar with Google products, you know the sharing options that are here. They're the same here as they are in Google Docs or Google Slides. If you go up here to the share button on the top right, you will see that you can share a couple of different ways. Down at the bottom, you can share using a link. If you open this up to anyone with a link, or if you have a school subscription, you can open up to anybody in your school. That way you can make a link that anyone can get to. You can also change them from a viewer to someone that's editing. If this is an activity that you want your students to be working on with you, or you want your students to all be able to work on together. You can also add students directly with their emails. Up here at the top, you have the same options. Make them an editor or make them a viewer that can just see but can't actually change anything. The final way to share your activity is in Google Classroom. If you weren't aware, when you create an assignment in Google Classroom, I'm going to go to the Classwork tab, click Create Assignment, and then I'm going to attach that Google Jamboard I just made. It's called Untitled Jam here. When I open up this assignment, I have the option on the right here to change this from students can view file to the option that says make a copy for each student. So that way, when students open up this assignment, they will have their own individual copy that only them and yourself will have access to. So you can monitor what the student's doing, you can grade the assignment when they turn it in, but they're not working on the same document that everybody is working on. So I hope that Google Jamboard can be helpful for you. I have another video I'll be showing you if you want to see how to convert your PowerPoints into a Google Jamboard. You can watch that. I can't wait to hear what you're doing with it, and I hope you have a great day.